$84 just by playing on this site. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, how are you today? This is the homepage of our site. Our site is called Coinbird and the website address is coinbirds.com. Here is the link. The way this site works is that with the first money you receive from it, you buy birds. After a few hours, the birds lay eggs. You can sell the eggs and convert them into money. This is the registration button for the site. Here's how the site works as I explain it. It also says that if you create an account right now, you get a green bird and 300 gold coins. Here it shows the site's statistics. It has nearly 3.5 million users. In the last 24 hours, 1,000 people have joined. The number of active users today is 23,000. By clicking on the registration button, you go to the registration page to create your account. Enter the username, enter the email address, a password and repeat the password. Select the preferred currency between euro and dollar. Now choose your country from this option. Check the box for reading the terms and conditions, which you can read here. Finally, click on the sign up button. Since I already had an account, I'll log in. Solve the CAPTCHA. Click on Verify. This part explains what the different sections are for, which I will explain the rest of the video, so watch carefully until the end. The first section is the top-up option. By clicking on this option, you can buy gold, which you can use to buy more birds that lay more eggs for you. However, I don't recommend investing in this platform. The next section is the Buy Birds option. By clicking this option, you can buy birds. The further down you go, the more expensive the birds are, and the more eggs they lay per howl. You need to collect the birds' eggs, sell them and use the money to buy more birds. The next section is the warehouse. It shows how many eggs each bird has laid. By clicking on Collect All, you gather all the eggs. The next section is Sell Eggs, where you can sell your eggs. I sold mine and the gold and coins were credited to my account. You can come to this section every day to collect your reward and get the daily bonus. The next section is the Swap Gold. From the Swap Gold option, you can convert your gold into coins. It gives you 20% more coins. After converting your gold, you can buy birds. It's better to buy more expensive birds than several cheap ones. So save your money and buy expensive birds to get more eggs per hour. Now we have reached the most interesting part, the withdrawal section. To withdraw, simply enter your Payer wallet address here. Enter your email address here and enter the number of coins you want to withdraw here. I will enter the number of my coins, which is close to $90. The next section is the referral section. It shows the percentage you get from your referrals. I had one referral and received 250 coins. This section is for placing banners on different sites. A new feature added to this site is the Buy Cryptocurrency section, which takes you to this site. By clicking on the Calculate option, it shows you the number of birds and the amount of coins and gold you can collect in 24 hours. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye.